Welcome to Brain Vision.
Now here, this question, basically we have an insect, right, which has a lifespan of no more than a year, right? Now you are given a graph, which I'm going to copy, basically recreate from the question, right? You have T in months, right? And it goes from the initial months to 12, right? And the graph is going like this. It's a straight line, and it has a y which is 1/6, right? And this is y-axis is the fraction of population per month, right? Fraction of population per month, basically, right? And then we ask a few questions. The first one basically is: do more insects die in the first month of their life or the 12th month of their life? Of course, in the 12th month of their life, right? In the first month, for example, you look at this little bit, the amount, the fraction of insects that die in the first month is just this little area, right? But there's in the 12th month actually there with this much area, right? So obviously much bigger, right? So the answer actually is the 12th month, right? The 12th month has more insects there, right? And the second little question: what fraction of the insects live no more than 6 months, right? So basically, look at half. So basically, what you look at is half of this, right? No more than 6 months. So basically, look at this part, right? This area, right? And of course, this area you can actually work out. Of course, this is only a quarter of the total area, right? So total area, so a quarter of the total area. The total area, of course, is 1, right? So it's given by 0.25, right? And the C question: what fraction of the insects live more than 3 months? Well, 3 months, so basically somewhere here, right? So 3 months, it will be somewhere here, right? So that's, of course, given by, that be more than 3 months. That's basically we look at this area, right? Well, this area is just 1 minus this little triangle, right? So that's given by 1 minus, the little triangle has a volume which is actually given by just, this is just a quarter of the total length, right? So it's 1/16, basically, right? So that's giving you 15/16, right? So in other words, most of a majority of these insects actually live more than 3 months.